At the narrow northern neck of Palau's largest island lies a land touching two seas, where ancient hills, taro wetlands, stone paths, and living memory meet. 5 villages came together through unity, respect, and shared responsibility. Landing places on both coasts were opened to everyone. Families tended taro, gathered forest foods, read the tides, and traveled between sheltered waters. Long before today's villages, generations reshaped the red earth into broad terraces and fortified hills. These great earthworks protected communities and revealed the knowledge and determination of the ancestors. In one village stands an important traditional meeting house. Stones were gathered from rivers and streams. Local timbers were carefully shaped, and every family helped create the heart of the community. Inside, ranking chiefs met to guide the people. Nearby, another meeting house welcomed gatherings and feasts. Leadership and fellowship stood side by side. On a high ridge overlooking the eastern coast, fishers once repaired their nets while watching the tide. 4 mysterious human figures remain carved into a rounded boulder. Archaeologists recognize this as Palau's first securely documented petroglyph site. Its original meaning remains uncertain, but oral tradition connects the figures to 2 lovers whose story ended in tragedy. Their memory became part of the land. Stone platforms, bathing pools, ancient paths, monoliths, and an underwater defensive site reveal a connected world where water sustained life. Stones marked belonging, and every meeting house carried the voice and responsibility of the people. During the Second World War, one village sheltered thousands of families displaced from a southern island. Even during hardship, the community opened its homes and land to people driven north by war. Afterward, the 2 communities raised a stone memorial honoring refuge, gratitude, loss, and lasting friendship. Today, the 5 villages remain united across 2 coasts. Their meeting houses, earthworks, carvings, pools, and stones remind us that unity becomes strongest when history and memory are cared for.